Hello traders. Today I am going to higher time frame analyze. I am in weekly time frame. As I think this is a parallel channel. We can select parallel channel tool. This point to this point. There is a parallel channel. Uh, okay, then now we can extend the parallel channel. So that is a perfect parallel channel. That is good. We can see there is a ascending wedge pattern. This point to this point. Ascending wedge pattern. We can take target this area 138.40. This area is possible target Bitcoin is going. This is not a financial advice. How many percentage? This area 30% Bitcoin can possible to up. This area break this area parallel channel lower level. We can enter the short entries. That is short trades. This area is a possible target 74,000 and 49,000. This is possible target. Will BTC will break down. We can enter the short trade. There is a RSI divergence. This point to this point. RSI divergence. If working the divergence, market can be uh, down trend. So that's only today weekly time frame analysis. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon. Comment below. Thank you.